Alright guys, I'm getting ready to do a monitor repair. This is a Gardner 4600. And all I did was I hooked it up to an isolation transformer and I turned it on to make sure that it had high voltage crackle. And I messed with this brightness pot and got nothing. There was absolutely no brightness on the screen. It looked just like this. So that's what we're starting with. It turned on, we had high voltage, and it just sat there, and that was it. I didn't have a signal hooked up to it or nothing like that though, but I should have been able to see retrace lines by messing with the brightness pot though. And I did not, so I imagine caps will bring this thing back to life, and solder joints and stuff like that. So a good cleanup, a good maintenance job, caps, solder joints, and then whatever else might come. So that's going to be the project for this weekend. Today is Friday, May the 7th. Yeah, I think it's May 7th today. Something like that. It's Friday anyway. So this weekend is going to be fixing this guy. Nice guy, local, somewhat local, that I met here, and he's having me fix this for his centipede. This is going in his centipede game. So, all right. First thing I'm going to do is completely disassemble and clean. Alright guys, I've skipped way ahead in this video. I've already done the cap kit. And unfortunately I didn't wash the boards or nothing because I don't have rubbing alcohol. And I don't want to wait a day for this to dry. So I just kind of wiped it good and did the best I could with it. But I don't have alcohol, so I'm not washing the boards with water. So it's a dirty monitor, but I've got my I've already done the cap kit. I reflowed, I resoldered. I resoldered every connection on this thing, and tons of maintenance on these 4600s. And I put it back together. I got my rejuvenator on it. And I've done a little bit of rejuvenating, and you can see right now this is where they stand. Every one of the guns is looking pretty good. That's red, green, and blue. And they're all just in the green. So this thing's going to have a great picture. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to unhook this guy, put it up, and then I'll put a Miss Pac-Man board on this thing, and we'll see how it looks. Alright everyone, since this monitor is going in a centipede, I decided to put my centipede board on it. And I have it going. I mean, it's really bright in here. This picture has a lot of burn, but other than the burn, it looks good. So, I mean, yeah, it's got, dial it in a little bit with the focus. It's pretty good. I mean, it's not bad. Like I said, it's got a lot of burn in on it, and I did clean this. I cleaned it with Windex. But colors are good. I mean, the colors are all good. It's got a nice kind of vibrant picture, but it is just a little bit. I'm going to mess with the brightness just a little bit more. Yeah, that's about it, man. That's about as good as it's going to get. Which it's very playable. It'll be okay. Well, that's it. A quick little 4600 repair. It was just a cap kit and maintenance. Caps and a lot of resoldering connections and stuff. Every connection on this, anything that plugs into anything, both the pin side and the housing side were resoldered. So, and shot the tube, rejuvenated the tube a little bit. The guns are all good. The colors are good. It's just this burn-in. It'll look good though with a tinted plexi over it and stuff. It'll look okay. All right, that's it, guys. Once again, thanks for watching.